Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? We have x power x equals x power 4. We are solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, if you consider this identity, you have a to the power of n, and this equals a to the power of b. Since the bases are the same, you can compare the exponent. You have n equals b. Applying same here, you can have x equals 4. But this is just one of the solutions. So what I can do will be to solve for all values of x, and we do that making use of natural log. Natural log of x power x equals natural log of x power 4. Now, if you have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. So we have x natural log of x equals 4 natural log of x. Now to solve for x, I can move this over here. I have x natural log of x minus 4 natural log of x equals 0. I can factor out natural log of x. I have natural log of x times this divide this. I have x minus this divide this. I have 4. And this equals 0. So I can equate natural log of x equals 0. I can also have x minus 4 equals 0. If you want to solve this, I have x equals 4. Simply moving this over here, that is my x1. The same solution we had earlier on here. Now to find the other solution, I solve this. I have e power ln x equals e power 0. E raised to the power of ln cancel out. That means you have x equals e power 0. And any number or alphabet raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have another solution, which is x equals 1. Now, this is one way of solving this and finding all the solutions. Another way is you have x power x equals x power 4. I divide this by x power 4. I divide this by x power 4. This eliminates this. So I have x power x divided by x power 4 equals 1. Now, if you have a power n divided by a power m equals a power n minus m. So right here, we simply have x power x minus 4 equals 1. So I can apply natural log. I have natural log of x power x minus 4 equals natural log of 1. Now remember the property of logarithm. If you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log of a. So this is x minus 4 times natural log of x equals natural log of 1. So from here, we have x minus 4 times natural log of x equals this is 0. Let's equate each of these to 0. We have x minus 4 equals 0. We have natural log of x equals 0. So to solve for x right here, I move this negative over here. I have x equals 4. This is my x1. To solve for this, I make use of e. I have e power ln x equals e power 0. So e eliminate ln. I have x equals e power 0. From here, I have x equals 1. We still end up having the two solutions that we had earlier on. So guys, those are the methods that you can actually solve this exponential problem. You can as well check for the solutions if you want to check. You have x equals 4 and x equals 1. You have x power x equals x power 4. When s equals 4, we have 4 power 4 equals 4 power 4. What is the value of 4 power 4? 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 power 2. Raised to the power of 4 equals 2 power 2 raised to the power of 4. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. So, you are going to have 2 power 2 times 4, that is 8, equals 2 power 8. And 2 to the power of 8 is 256. And this is 256. This has satisfied the equation now. Let's also check for when x equals 1. We have x power x equals x power 4. That means 1 power 1 equals 1 power 4. 1 to the power of 1 is 1 equals 1 to the power of 4 is 1. In fact, 1 to the power of any number is 1. So guys, the two values of x have proven to be correct, and that is it in this video. Thank you and goodbye.